Hey, welcome back. It's 9:22.
Okay, you probably know this, right? Losing your hair, common side effect of cancer treatments. While it grows back after treatments, it can be difficult to figure out maybe how to style it, if at all.
It's navigating the process
Right.
is confusing, right? Well, Rachel Eggy Gibbs owns a salon in Baton Rouge, and she's a hairstylist too. She's using her social media platform to share helpful tips for cancer patients and survivors to help style their own hair. And this is an incredible effort. Rachel, thanks for taking the time to come chat with us.
Absolutely. Thank y'all for having me.
Let's talk about how all of this really started.
Okay, so about a year and a half ago, our salon was actually approached, Eggy Salon, by Mary Bird Perkins, and they were looking for a partnership with a salon that could donate post-chemo haircuts, the first one for women after they grow their hair out. One of the doctors, Dr. William Varndo, had a patient, and her hair started growing back, and he was like, "Are you so excited to go get your hair done?" And he said in that moment there was just silence, and it was kind of awkward because she didn't know what to do with it, where to go. And he said, he goes, "I never want one of my patients to feel like this again." And so he took the initiative and started asking around. So of course, when they approached us, I was like, absolutely, we would love to be a part of that. And so then in the process, it was kind of like, it was placed on my heart because I realized I could really help them a lot on a deeper level if I would go through it myself. And at the time, I used a lot of my social media for tutorials with my long hair. You know, obviously that's helpful when you have it. And so I realized, okay, I think it's just time to shift the path and to use my social media to help women on tutorials on how to grow it out. So from the second you start growing it out, you don't realize, but these women deal with fuzz, right? So it's like within a month, 2 months, you already should be using products to help with that fuzz and help styling it. Or like, you know, when you have hair over your ears, it's like
annoyingly.
Yes. And so you know, I thought it was going to be, I didn't realize how many women do struggle with this until we started getting involved with it. And now it's become like, as soon as they do get diagnosed, they book an appointment with me and I fit them for a wig. I help them choose a wig if that's the route they want to go. And then I stay in touch with them during their journey, and then when they're finished with their last treatment, we guide them on scalp care, what products to be using to help with, you know, their hair growing back stronger. And then again, it's just like every step of the way. So it's actually now become, it's not even just local, it's word of mouth through social media. And then now I'm working with women all over the world.
That's
so
amazing.
One of the coolest things was this girl DM'd us on Instagram, and she's from Israel. And so she sent a selfie and she was like, I'm 10 months post chemo. She had no idea what to do, because what people don't realize, as your hair starts growing, if you just let it go, you almost get kind of like a mullet, because there's so much distinction, right? There's a difference in distance between down here than up here. So this hair has to get all the way down here before you should even be letting the length grow. So I'm 15 months out, and all I've cut is the bottom. So it's like I still have about 2 more months to where I can have like one length. So anyway, she finds the page and she goes, "I had no idea what to do with my hair. I found your page, so I brought it to my stylist and I got your hair cut."
Well, with the 25 seconds we have left,
sorry.
No, it's a great story.
This is amazing. The way it started local, now the whole world knows about it. Let's let other folks know where they can find this page.
Yes, so Instagram is rachel.eggy.gibbs.
There you go.
So you can DM, and then I have a separate phone that we've started. So anytime I'm working with somebody, they get this phone number, and we directly contact them through there. And you can access it at any time of the day.
Incredible. Rachel, thank you so much.
Thank y'all.
Amazing heart. Local Tide partnered with that. Incredible, folks. Stay with us. We'll be right back.